So I know that was kind of a lot. If you need me to go back over anything, I can totally do that for you. But yeah, my automations guy was out today. He called in sick, so we weren't able to really start jamming on actually building these. But I did meet with him right after our call earlier this week, and just made sure everything we discussed, would be feasible. And he's awesome, and he has no issue at all building out anything you guys need in this regard.
Amazing.